This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to copy a film page link on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on my main Letterboxd profile. You might be elsewhere on the site, you might be on the main page here. However you come across a film, you can copy a link easily from there, which I'll show you in just a second. Like let's say you're on this film, the Navigator, that's actually a review page. So we click through and we're on the main film page right here. Now I'll show you from my profile, so you just hover over the image of yourself and your username, click on profile. Now let's say we're on one of my favorite films, Fitzcarraldo, the famous Werner Herzog film. We're going to click through to this film page. So you can see here it's letterboxd.com/film/Fitzcarraldo. Now Letterboxd have a relatively new feature that makes it really easy to actually share these pages. I mean, you could just get the URL, highlight the URL and obviously copy and put that, you know, wherever you want to put it, like social media or in a newsletter or on your website or wherever it is, or, you know, shared in WhatsApp or something. So you can get the URL easily from there. But this feature they've got here, I'm just going to reload the page so that shows up again. They've got this share button at the bottom. So we see share, we can hover over share. This is the same on any film page. It will give you the shortened link. So we can literally click this copy to clipboard. It says link copied to clipboard. That basically means we can copy this anywhere. So if I paste that in there, that is a shortened URL for this page, and then when we click it, it goes to the full URL. So essentially that's creating a shortened version of, when we click that, it's creating a shortened version of the long URL. Like say, you could put that in a newsletter, you could put that on in a WhatsApp group or social media, wherever you want to put it. So the other thing that I can show you is when you hover over share, we've got these two options here for X, formerly Twitter, and also for Facebook. So when we click this one for Twitter, this is a really cool feature. It will redirect us to Twitter, to your account that you're signed in for, with even, and it will create this post for you right here. So you can obviously add your own content and you can kind of editorialize it, add a caption, whatever you want to do. But the cool thing is it will pull in the main background image of the film. So Fitzcarraldo 1982 from Letterboxd, we got the link, and that has created a post within Twitter. So that's super handy. And the same on Facebook. If you click there, it will do the same. It will open up a post with the image and everything all ready to go, and you can edit the caption, editorialize it, and write the post. So 3 different ways you can do it with Twitter, now known as X, that app, and then also social media with Facebook, or you can just get the short link URL that way. That was a video on how to share a copy and share a link for a film on Letterboxd. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.